Alright, what we're doing now is taking off stock clutch lever. Gonna install some ASV levers. So what you want to do is, what I did anyways, was take, go ahead and loosen these two bolts up so you can move this around easier. Get to, just move it up so you can get to this cord easier, and this little 10mm bolt that's on the underside. Right there. It's 10mm, and then just there's a top part right here. Just hold your finger on that and unscrew it. I already got most of it done. Just gonna pop it off, show you. There it is. Place that up there. And you should be able to just pull this out. Twist it a little bit, and you got all that good grease on there. Alright. Alright, and you pull it out, and then rotate it so that you've got that cord and that slot cable, and then it will just pop out with a little bit of force. Might need to, oh shit, bushings fell out. There we go. As you can see, it's sitting up in there right now. Alright. Alright. Got the lever here. Got little end of the clutch cable right there put back in. You kind of need two hands to get it out of in here. It's pretty easy to just pop in there. And then now you just slide that in there like that. Get it, the holes lined up right. Take that, and it's already got bushing in it, so don't need to use the old one. And then we'll just grab that, the old bolt that goes in there, and it's already all greased up, so just put that in there, line it up, get your 10mm nut, and tighten it up to work at spec, and then you'll sit on your bike and adjust this however you want it, whatever feels comfortable to you. And then that's it for the clutch. Alright, sorry, got a little ahead of myself. I installed the ASV lever without really showing you how to do it, but I'm gonna go over it. So here's the OEM brake lever. It sits in here like this. You just got an Allen bolt up here, 10mm lock nut down here at the bottom. Then you've got this part right here that pushes in, it goes past this rubber boot and pushes on something to pressurize the brake fluid in order for your brakes to work. But you cannot see this. The only part you can see is pretty much from this nut part right here and back. So the rest of this is hidden by this rubber boot. So when you take the Allen bolt out and try to just slide it out, it won't slide out like a typical sport bike. This will actually stay in the rubber boot, so you just pull it out. Looks kind of sketchy, but trust me, just pull it out. And then your ASV lever should have this little silver piece right here. It'll say like Ducati, Aprilia, KTM. I don't really have anything for Triumph. No idea why. These are supposed to be for like the past 3-year models, but it's not on there. It does fit. I tried contacting ASV to get a confirmation, and no such luck with their tech department. Never heard anything back. It's been like 2 weeks, but I hope that helps.